I'm taking that out. Out of what? Toyota. And we didn't pay for the mats. So I don't know what car this is. But I will tell you, it is a Camry. It is a 25 Camry. I have to show you. I must. See? It says Camry. There you go. That's what we're doing. We're taking this puppy out. I actually have a longer intro on how easy than it is removing this puppy. Ready for this? Link's in the description. Right there. Look. Look. And then pull outward. See? This little puppy joins in there. You see? Now, here is the actual part number. Will we ever need it? Who knows. But we're gonna get these 3 screws out. So let's get these guys out. 1, 2, and 3. And voila. So there you have it. I'm going to see if this puppy is accessible online yet. Maybe. But what I also want to know is if the windows go up and down, because I think this is all auto. Is it? Does it tell you? It does not tell you. I think it does. You can feel it. It's the second click. That's the first, just hold it, and the second is all. So these are all auto. All right, so now let's see if I unplug this thing or unplug the battery. This will lose programming. If it does, I'm gonna show you how to program it. So hold that. All right, I unplugged it and it did not lose programming, but I only did it for about 10 seconds. So it still works, the all auto. So who knows? But you don't care about that. Put the 3 screws back since you're the one who took it out, and move forward. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.